Hello everybody, it's Bob again, here to take you through the next phase of construction on the convenience store. First part of this is mostly self-evident, not going to do a lot of talking through it. It's just a lot of gluing and painting updates, and enjoy that, and I will catch up with you later in the video. Those thin pieces of plastic are just fillers, and I have no idea what prompted me to double up on the sides. Maybe there was a little gap that I wasn't happy with. I'm not sure, but that's what I did. So here's another on-the-fly decision. I have this strip plastic, and I noticed that it was almost the same size as the overhang on the awning. So after playing around with it, I decided to just glue it in place and double wall it. I think my intent was to fill in the gap, but once everything was secured, I decided I liked it with the gap. Not that anybody's going to see it where it is. So once it's glued in place, that's the way it is into perpetuity. After winging it underneath the awning, I decided to follow through and do the same situation up on top of the awning, and that will be seen by the public. This piece of strip plastic on the outside begins to trim out the shape of the awning. I put the bottom in first and then double back around, put the top in. And in a minute here, I'm going to take thin pieces of plastic and cut a little piece of plastic spacer out and put vertical slats in around the perimeter. Quite a bit what's out of here is all this refitting. I'll do something small, I'll refit it, do something small, refit it, and what that ensures is that at every step of the process the parts will meet up and there's no small interference from doing something unexpected like that double wall trim, which I had to cut back here in order to get the top and the existing side to fit. And all this fiddling around, I realized that the door was in friction fit, and so it was time to adhere that permanently. This is how it looked prior to paint, and There was some cleanup that I performed off camera in order to get it a little bit better, but once I thought it was satisfactory and painted it up, you could see that a better eye would have picked up on better details and clean that up a little bit better. So all I'm going to do is off camera do some more painting. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll look forward to talking to you on the next video.